Okay, so how cool is this? My new zero-turn lawnmower jacker-upper. Just what every girl needs. Isn't that right, kiddos? Watch this, though. Is this cool or what? Just press this little release. Let me back off a little bit. And it lowers, slowly lowers to the ground. How awesome is that? All the way down. Drive that baby up on there. Put the safety locks on. Then you can just jack it up. Just like a piece of cake. Woohoo! Yay! No more Sears repairman. Eat your heart out. Some girls like diamonds. I just want to be able to lift and lower my tractor. Awesome! 99 bucks. Can't beat that. Woohoo!